Oh, bunk. Ow! Oh yeah, and when you want to be done, this little thing is a kill switch. So you just press that in with your thumb. Yep. Clutch. Alright, you're in gear. More gas. That's what that noise means. I know, but that's what that noise means. That sputter is more gas. Yep, you're good.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Go to the right of that, because there's a log right there. Unless you want to go back that way.
What do you think?
That way's easier. Okay,
I
just...
want to be done.
Why?
I'm bad at it.
Huh?
I'm bad at
No, you're not. You're doing really good. Yeah, you are. I'm going to send you around by yourself next time.
it. No.
Alright, come on.
Andrew, no.
I'm saying, just go.
No.
Stop being a wimp. Come on, let's go. You're doing really good. Doran's like, what do you want? I see him.
Hey, come here.
He's looking for his ball. Come on, Thor. He's like, I know I put it somewhere over here. All right, go for it. Good boy. What dip? Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine. See? Then go that way.
What?
That way straight. Yeah. You're doing great. Go again. Don't stop this entire time. Go the whole time. Clutch, remember. Good job.
I'm scared.
You're good. You're doing great. It's tiring, isn't it? All right. Yep. 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 And then back that way. Huh?
I want to situate myself before I go.
Okay, I know. I'm just trying to show you. Yeah, stay out of this. More gas, just a little bit. Okay. I'm just trying to tell you what the sounds of the muffler mean. Ooh. Trying to ride like me and Nick? I'm surprised at how good you're doing. Careful, cattle crossing. He's like, Mama, what are you doing on that? Oh, oh, what is she doing? I'm right here. find the pegs?
Yeah, like when I'm mid-riding.
It's because you're sitting too far back. I normally put my knees right here, but that's because I'm trying to train myself to sit more forward. You can probably put your knees right here. Put your knee up. Hey, put your knee up. See how when they're right here, you find the pegs? Yeah, so you just, and then slide back. Keep sliding, slide back to where you were. You were more back. Yep. But you see how much harder it is to find them?
Yeah.
Let her rip, Tater Chip. She's doing so good, I don't know why she's so scared. I just put them in my hand and go like that. Smart, she's getting out of the dip already. I want her to try to figure this out on her own without me having to hold up the bike every time. That way she'll learn how to ride on her own. She's doing so much better than the first lap already. I think it's just because she's normally good at learning things pretty quick. You explain it to her like once or twice. Let her give it a go on her own. Should I ask like a couple questions and then just be done with it? Perfect. At this point, I just want to ride with her. Oh. Yeah. I can't wait till you watch the video because I'm talking this whole time.
I hear you, but I can't hear what you're saying. I'm hungry.
Go forward. Your back foot's off the peg. There you go. Too much gas. What the hell is going on?
I don't know.
If you're